Hi guys, just wanted to show you quickly the advantages and disadvantages of this folding chair. In general, I would say it's a decent quality, really nice, beautiful. We have attached the central support with some flexible strap to the solid metal frame. Yeah, it's really solid metal frame. We have still a lot of plastic, but it's plastic where we want to have plastic. I mean, metal on metal is not so good. We have also some decent protection here underneath. That's a good thing. And it comes with this very easy to apply and remove pillow. It's even stretchable, so you can easily adjust it regarding the height or completely remove it. It has this Velcro strap here in the back. Then we have also this pocket which you can put on the side, also with some Velcro straps. You can remove that here. Very easy to apply. Comes with 3 pockets, one mesh pocket here, one pocket here, large pocket here. And you can see we can easily lift it up and it is stable and it remains stable. It doesn't fold accidentally or so. We have also triple feet support here and we have a very solid construction here in the back. I mean, you need some power here to pull it out, but that's a good thing because it is so secure. You can easily sit down in this area without the bag folding automatically and hitting your head. So I can sit down, you can see absolutely no change. But of course, because it's so solid, we cannot change the height or the angle when we are sitting on it. We have to go to the back and then pull it out and push it down. But also very good when it's flat, you can lay down without the bag coming up automatically. And when you're finished using it, it's very easy to put it back. I think this goes like that. We put it on the side, fold this to the inside, the one in the front as well, and then fold the whole thing. So we have a very small chair. Maybe the only disadvantage here that there is no lock when it's closed. I haven't found anything to secure it and it's a little bit difficult to grab. Of course, you can also grab it upside down. So this is probably not a chair which you want to transport just by hand, like for 1 mile or so. But if it's just a short distance, you can see, you can grab it and walk. Usually not a problem. So definitely the best folding chair I've ever seen. So I can give you full recommendations. So you can buy it directly here from Amazon. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.